Have you ever felt that quiet hum of potential, that deep-seated knowledge that you're meant for more? It's a feeling that whispers in the early morning and echoes late at night. So often, we silence it, waiting for a sign, for a grand announcement from the universe. But you don't need someone else to tell you it's your time. That clock has been ticking inside you all along, waiting for you to listen. We are conditioned to seek external validation before we dare to begin. We look for a green light from our mentors, a nod of approval from our family, or the enthusiastic support of our friends. We tell ourselves, "I'll start when I have more experience," or "I'll launch it when the market is just right." We build intricate cages of conditions and prerequisites, believing they are for our own safety. But these are just stories we tell ourselves to delay the leap. The world is full of people waiting for the perfect moment, a moment that never arrives. The truth is, no one will ever hand you a gilded invitation to your own life. The perfect moment isn't something you find, it's something you create. Your greatness, your journey, your entire future pivots on a single powerful internal shift. It begins the second you decide you're ready, even if you don't feel ready at all. It's the quiet, firm decision made in the face of doubt. Now, that decision is the first domino. It's followed by the first small, imperfect action. Sending that email, writing that first line of code, sketching that initial design. These aren't grand gestures, but they are everything. They are the physical manifestation of your choice, the proof to yourself that you are serious. Each small step builds momentum. Each action silences a little more of the doubt. You stop waiting for permission because you are too busy building. You are no longer a spectator in your own life, but the architect of its design. The path forward is not revealed all at once. It is paved one stone at a time, with each choice you make. So decide. Right now, in this moment, the authority you've been waiting for has been inside you all along. You are the green light. You are the validation. You are the permission.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.